So if you look at the post-COVID world, the management education has completely changed. The management, if you look at it, there's a core principle of it, that is marketing, finance, strategy. All this became the core principle of management. But now, because the post-COVID world has completely changed, technology became the core part of the management principles. So we have redesigned the complete management program for the BBA, and we have taken the core principle of management, but also we have taken the technology strategy into picture. Now we have technology programs like AI, blockchain, metaverse, all these things into the curriculum design. And also we are trying to give the hands-on experience in terms of entrepreneurship by having incubation center inculcated inside the management program, and that makes the whole design completely unique for the students, so they understand how the hardcore management works and also understand how the technology really works on this management principle. And last but not the least, they get real-time experience with the industry to have their startup, have the industry experience inside the incubation. Thank you.